Hey guys, this is Mark, and in this video I want to show you how you can convert mono audio into stereo in both Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere Pro. Now this actually isn't mono audio as in the same track is being played on the left and the right side. This is actually more for camcorders when you're recording on channel 1. Channel 1 is actually left and channel 2 is right. You're only recording on one channel, and when you play it back you can only see half of the levels peaking. That's because there's only audio on one side and you recorded the left or the right in a stereo track. It's really confusing, but you'll know what I'm talking about if you are having that issue and you're seeing it. So let's go ahead and convert it. This is actually not going to be true stereo. We are actually converting a left or a right channel stereo track into a mono, meaning that you're going to have the same on left and right. So it's not true stereo, but it's going to help with the fact that if you listen to it with headphones, it's only going to come out the one side. With this fix, it's going to come out of both sides, and it's kind of what you want. So first, let's take a look at Final Cut Pro. If that's not what you're using, you can skip ahead to Premiere Pro. But inside of Final Cut Pro, we will go ahead and click on our clip. It doesn't matter if the audio is attached or not. Click on Audio and then go down to Audio Configuration. From there, we can go ahead and click on the expansion. It's probably going to be on stereo right now. And what we're going to do is say Dual Mono. This is going to duplicate the left and the right on both of them. So right is going to go to left, left is going to go to right. And if you do have a stereo, they're just going to get mixed over. And with that, we should have the exact same track, whether it was originally on left or right, it should now be on both, and you can have your stereo audio. Now inside of Premiere Pro, we will again import our clips and right click on the audio, but this time we're going to say audio channels. Once there, we'll need to know what side our audio is actually coming from. If it is coming on the left side, you're going to want to go ahead and make sure that left is on left and right is on left. If you're only getting audio from the right side, you're going to make sure left is on right and right is on right. So there you go. It's actually really simple and easy to convert your left or right channel stereo into dual mono. And this is going to ensure that your viewers of the video or movie that you're making is going to have a true experience with the audio on both sides. It's not going to be distracting, only coming out of one or the other sides. But there you go. That's all for this video. That's all I got for you today. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Apple Tech One Tweet, and I'll see you in the next one.